welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then I'm Rimi, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then go ahead, hit that subscribe button and make sure to click that bell button next to it as well so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Today we're here for a tutorial on this makeup look right here. Spring is coming up and I am so sick and tired of winter already. I'm so ready for spring. Recently on my haul video, you probably have seen this palette. This is the new Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach palette. This palette reminded me so much of summer and spring that I couldn't even wait. I wanted to create a look with this palette. So the main color you're seeing on my lid, the blue, is right here. By itself, the color is not as pigmented as you're seeing on my lid, but you will see how I got it to look so intense and pigmented on my lid. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please keep watching if you want to know how I got this look. I'm taking the lightest color in the palette to set my eyelids. I like to do this step to ensure I have a smooth canvas to work on my eyes, and this also helps me blend my eyeshadows better and prevents patchiness. Next, I'm taking this rusty orange transition color from the palette and I'm applying this towards the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm pulling it towards the crease as well. Next, I'm taking this bright orange color from the palette and I'm applying this color on the outer corner of my eyes. I'm just bringing it halfway on my eyelid. Now I'm taking this dark chocolate brown color from the palette and using a small dense brush, I'm going to apply this on the outer corner. I'm creating a wing or cat eye effect with this brown color. Now I'm taking this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in color Gonzo and I'm applying it all over my eyelids. I'm using this eye pencil as a base for the eyeshadow I'm going to apply on my lid. This will help the eyeshadow stand out more and look more intense. Now I'm taking a flat eyeshadow brush to blend the eyeliner. Now I'm taking this light blue eyeshadow from the palette and I'm applying this over the eyeliner I just placed earlier. I'm applying a sweeping motion to apply the eyeshadow. I noticed that this way you get the most intensity from the eyeshadow versus padding. Now I'm going back to the dark brown color and defining the crease. Then I'm going back to the transition color and defining the transition a little bit more. Now for my lower lash line, I'm taking this orange color with a pencil brush and I'm applying it in the lower lash line. Then I'm picking up the chocolate brown color and applying it towards the outer corner of my lower lash line. Now I'm taking this gold color from the palette with a small brush and applying this in my inner corner. I'm applying this color wet. Now I'm taking the blue eyeliner again and lining my waterline. For my brow bone highlight, I'm taking this satin nude color from the palette and applying it with a small brush. For my blush, I'm taking this NYX Sweet Cheeks palette and I'm taking this mauvey pink color from the palette and applying it on the apples of my cheek. Then I'm taking the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette and lightly contouring my face. I'm also contouring my nose using a flat eyeshadow brush and then blending with a fluffy brush. To highlight my face, I'm taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit and I'm applying the color Starburst and Mimosa together on the high points of my face. To line my lips, I'm taking this Essence lip liner in the nude and I'm also using this lip liner to fill in my lips. Then I'm taking this ultra matte lipstick from ColourPop called Times Square and filling in my lips. On top of that, I'm applying this ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in Calypso and then applying it all over my lips again. I did my eyeliner and false lashes off camera and that's about it. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys are liking this look. I think it turned out great. I'm loving this look. The blue is looking absolutely gorgeous. And I love the combination of orange and this minty blue color with a little bit of gold in the center. So overall, I'm in love with this look and I created this entire look using just one palette. I did use one more product for the base of this blue color, but besides that, all the eyeshadows were used from this palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have tried this palette before or any of the palettes from this line Wet n Wild just came out with, and let me know in the comments below what are your thoughts, and are you excited for spring yet? I mean, I am super excited for spring already. I am done with winter this year. I don't know how's the weather where you are at, but where I'm at, it's super cold, so I'm really tired of winter. I'm ready for spring already. So anyways, thank you for tuning into my channel. Make sure to subscribe before you leave. I will leave all my social media linked down below. Go ahead, check out my Instagram and follow me there, and also on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.